So we are using Gmail option is there. Suppose somebody is sending you one mail to your Gmail address. So we can't reply in the proper option. So how to reply the first of all customer to the auto reply option. Suppose I'm sending any email to the my particular Gmail address or any address will be there. So how to reply the customers in auto reply customer to the particular users. Auto reply nothing but if you are there or not, if somebody is email you, you can auto reply to the customers. How do we can enable for auto reply option? In this purpose, first of all go to the Gmail setting option. In this go to settings. In this go to setting option, go for general option. Just scroll down, complete scroll down. Here will be option name is called occasion responder. Occasion responder. Here we can give for occasion responder on. So when your last date, so we can go for how many months you can give this or what will be useful. So I just I'm give by up to December 31st, 2020. So what is your subject? Subject will be there. So copy message. What option will be there? You can copy this. You can use option and click for save. It is not working here. Just now click for save change option. Too long for the particular long messages. You can check for your particular message will be here. Two will be short for the particular message option. So here, what will the changing this option will be here. Changing will be here. And save changes. Yeah, everything is fine. Save change. So what the option will be changing here? Just give me the seconds. Here, set up the message. And we can select for save change option. Now save change will be done. Now I'm using for another email address to send this particular email address. Always remember, don't eno this option. Once eno this option, auto replace will be not working for properly. So I'm sending email. Sending email to the particular users. After sending email, the email user receive the auto reply message. That mean by we not there, but people receive the message will be automated reply message. Just to give me the 2 seconds, will be get the message. Now click here. This is received by the your official message will be here users. So this is called will be option. Suppose auto reply will be not give the this much of option. Simple give by and save change. And which email I can using. Send. So these all will be auto response messages. In each email, you not reply the auto response. The will get the message will be to the users. Auto reply the customers to be received by the Gmail users. This will be not using for Gmail to Gmail will be not there. This will be received by any users, any Gmail. Yahoo to we can send by Gmail also. Yahoo user getting received message will be particular option. This one here. Thank you. Your contact Rakesh will assist you soon. So this option will get the message will be here. So this is called we have to enable by auto reply message from the Gmail access to engage audience to increase your to respond the customers. They will be happy to the with you for the more assist you. So a simple step, I once again repeat, go to settings and setting option. Always remember the name is called occasion responder is always on. When click N now, that the auto reply will be not working to the any Gmail users. So this will be very important. So what are the message you can show to customers? Remain you can delete and save changes. Suppose you have to show only for your contact persons only. We can enable by that option will be there. The option will be there. Go to the where simple here. When you only send a response to people in my contacts, only your contact person we can receive this message. Anyone we can activate this message will be here. So this is activate for the auto reply on the Gmail access. It use is very helpful for the client response to the any new users. They will be very happy with your response to the they will be react to the very sportively and they will encourage by your particular response.